Welcome back friends, and if in your Samsung mobile you are turning your Wi-Fi on but you are not able to see any Wi-Fi network, in that case what things you have to do, I will tell 2-3 things. The last one is very important and you have to watch the video till the end for proper resolution of your problem. So very first thing is go to the settings, then go below and go to the general management, and here just reset is there. Here reset network settings, just do this. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Just reset these settings. It will ask for your code. I am entering my code, then all network settings will be reset. In this case what will happen, nothing will go only except the Wi-Fi passwords, network passwords you have set. So just reset it, and after that try, your problem may get solved. Just go to the Wi-Fi connections and search for Wi-Fi, and here the networks will come now. In my case there is no network here, so nothing is coming. So in your case your network will come. If it is not coming still, then what you need to do, just slide it down and put the mobile into the flight mode. Then after some time, 10 to 15 seconds, just put it back on normal mode and then try to search the Wi-Fi network. You may get your Wi-Fi network back. If it is still not working, switch off your phone and switch on your phone by pressing power on key and volume button minus key. Keep both buttons pressed simultaneously for some time and then leave that when the Samsung logo comes. After switching on, your problem may get solved. If your problem is still there, I think the router has problem. So go to the router, your Wi-Fi router, and just switch off on that router. So this is all. After doing all the things, you may get your problem solved. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel and share the video with your family and friends for their benefit. Thank you very much guys.